Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is reciprocal lattice. This is from the solid state physics. So, come to the what is the meaning of reciprocal lattice? Reciprocal lattice. Reciprocal lattice. What is reciprocal lattice? That we have to understood. Okay. Actually, there is the use of the Miller indices. Here also we are using the Miller indices. So, first we have to know what is the meaning of the reciprocal lattice. Okay. The reciprocal lattice in Fourier space infinite periodic three-dimensional array points whose spacing are inversely proportional to distance between the planes in the direct lattice. So this is the reciprocal lattice. The meaning of this reciprocal lattice is that the reciprocal lattice in Fourier space is an infinite, listen, the infinite periodic three-dimensional array of the points which spacing are, the space of these planes are, spacing are inversely proportional to the distance between them uh, planes in the direct lattice. So in one meaning, if we will take the any lattice point, so if I take a crystal direct lattice, we will take two planes, this plane and this plane. Okay, now we will take the two plane in this crystal. One is this plane and this plane. So definitely there is a distance between the two planes. Okay, and that distance HKL is the distance DHKL. So this is the point. Actually, how we can find out the direct lattice? Suppose you take any point. Okay, suppose you take any point in the lattice, then what happen? Then this, suppose I am taking here this point, from this point to there is the normal. So there is the normal. So this distance. Now the question is, from this point, if you will taking any arbitrary point, you will take this point to this point. How much distance is there? The distance is 1 by DHKL. DHKL. This distance is. So for every plane there is the normal. That means for this plane there is the normal. So this plane there is the normal. So in every point you have to make the normal, and area of that normal that gives the reciprocal lattice. Actually, this is for one side I am taking. For the any plane, we can arrange the reciprocal lattice. Okay, now this is for one. In the reciprocal lattice, so what is the difference between the reciprocal lattice and direct lattice? Now that will come. In direct lattice, the basis vectors are represented by A, B and C. But in reciprocal lattice, it is capital A, capital B and capital C. This is the difference. So this is the real, the right lattice is the real and this is not real. Reciprocal lattice is not the real. Okay, now come to another arrangement for the reciprocal lattice. So we'll take okay. So the we take the corner, this diagonal. This plane has the Miller indices 1 0 0, that is this is 0 0 1, this is your 1 0 1. Okay, three things are there, 1 2 and 3. Oh, so for the first one we'll take, for this one, for this side we'll make a perpendicular. Okay, this is make the 90 degree, this is 0, so this is 1 0 0, so this also the 1 0 0, correct. So now we'll take another point also for that. So this point 200, 200, that is not 200. Now for this another, for another planes we'll make this point, and this point is also 300. Okay, this is the for the origin 100, 200 and 300. Okay. This is perpendicular. This one, so this is perpendicular to this plane. Okay, this one perpendicular to this plane. The first one was from this one. So this is your 001. This also. For the third one, for this one, this plane, this is your plane number third. So for third one, make here the point, and this point is, for this point then we can draw this one, the perpendicular, and that perpendicular is parallel to the third one. For 101, so this plane is perpendicular, so this is 101, so we can write also 101. So this is, for this one, this is 001, this plane. For 100, this is the point. Okay, so in same way we can, again it will come to the, and here the point will come 102, 201. This is 201. This is 101, 102. This is 201. Here also you can take, and this is your 301. Okay, this is 001, 002, 1. Here you can draw this one. This is your 202. So now what happened? We now make a different. We got a different points. So now we can join this one. Also we can join this one. So this arrangement of Airy, is called the reciprocal lattice. This is the reciprocal lattice. We have the, again I am telling you, this is the one plane 100, this is another plane, the second plane 011, this is 101. For this one perpendicular, for this plane there is a perpendicular 1 0 0, 2 0 0 and 3 0 0, and for this plane there is a perpendicular, for this plane there is a perpendicular 0 0 1, 0 0 2, like this one it will goes to the 0 0 3, like this it will go. For the third plane 101, there is the perpendicular and it will make the 101, then your 102, then like this it will go. So we can now make the planes here, and we can arrange the different points. So the area of these points are called the reciprocal lattice.